Welcome to the channel. If you've ever posted a story on Instagram and wished you could save it to your phone's gallery for later, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the setting that automatically saves your Instagram stories to your gallery, so you never lose those memories. It's simple and quick, so let's dive into it. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Your Story at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your Stories section, where you can view all your stories and settings. Step 3. At the top right, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on this to open your story settings. Step 4. From the Settings menu, tap on Story to access your story-specific preferences. Step 5. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Save Story to Gallery. Simply toggle this option on, and your Instagram stories will be saved automatically to your gallery after you post them. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the setting to save your Instagram stories to your phone's gallery. Now, every time you post a story, it'll be saved to your device, making it easier for you to keep those special moments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.